Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct, and today we have a really cool interactive video using a 360 camera. What that means is that if you're on a smartphone watching this video, you could turn your phone to the left or to the right and change the viewpoint of the camera with a 360-degree range. So it's pretty much like a virtual reality video that allows you to do a virtual test drive. Today we have the Pride Zero Turn 8. This scooter has two motors, unlike other mobility scooters that only have one, so the back two wheels could go in the opposite direction, allowing the scooter to pretty much rotate in place like a wheelchair or a zero-turn lawnmower if you're familiar with ride-along lawnmowers. So again, if you're on a mobile phone, go ahead and turn your phone to the left, turn to the right. You can see all around our showroom. You can see Eric behind you who's going to help me with the door. Or if you're on a desktop computer, you can actually just click and drag on the video player, and that will rotate the camera's viewpoint so you can see what's behind us, in front of us, to the left, to the right, as we go on a ride with this Zero Turn 8 mobility scooter. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get on the scooter and we're going to take you for a test drive. Enjoy. So I have my keys right here. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the ignition. Going to make sure my brake switches on the back are in the drive position, and we'll go ahead and power it up. As you can see, this has delta control, which means you can use your right or your left hand independently. So I could either push forward or pull back on the lever either on the right or the left side, doesn't matter. I only need one hand to operate it. I'm going to show you that this scooter can handle going outdoors. It's also really good for indoors because of the feature it has with the zero turning ability. So I can actually do a U-turn right here, no problem. With most other scooters that are four-wheel, that wouldn't be possible. So let me just show you again. I'm going to go forward and watch when I do a U-turn how this scooter pretty much just rotates in place. Look, I can even clear that. I'm literally just spinning in place. It's pretty awesome. So we're going to go for a little ride up to the end of the plaza here. It has a pretty good top speed. I have the speed knob all the way up, and I'm cruising at about 4 to 5 miles per hour. It varies depending on the user's load. So I weigh about 210 pounds to 205 pounds on any given day. And basically, I hit around 4 miles per hour, 4.5. If you add load, like if you put a basket in the back or add some stuff in the front, you know, that's going to impact the top speed. But as you can see, it's going along pretty smoothly. This is the back of the showroom here in the delivery driveway, and there's some bumps on the road. You know, it's not the flattest pavement, but it handles really well because it has that CTS suspension built into it. So I can barely feel any of these bumps and all the little acorns that I'm running over. It's just handling very smoothly. A lot of you that are watching this video or that are considering purchasing this scooter, we're probably wondering if this is something that'll handle well on the grass. So I'm going to do a little demonstration. And also there's a nice little jump up here on the sidewalk where it's cracked and it's like a little lip went right over it like a champ. So with grass, I want to point out that if you have a mobility scooter that has small tires, you don't really want to go on grass that's wet. And here in Florida, it rains a lot, so this grass might be a little wet, but we're going to test out the capability of the Zero Turn 8, on grass. And as you can see, it's going pretty good. I mean, it's definitely not going fast because it's not a fast scooter, but if you want to go on the grass, I mean, it does okay. It's not bad. The other thing is, of course, the ability for it to turn so well. I mean, literally, look, I'm in a parking spot right here. I'm hugging the curb on the right-hand side. I'm almost glued against this curb on the right-hand side. And the parking line that makes this space its single parking space is right there. I'm pointing at it. Again, you could change your viewpoint of the camera by turning your phone or clicking and dragging on a desktop. So I'm going to show you that I can actually make a U-turn in the space that I'm in, the parking space that I'm in, very easily. Actually, I only need like half of it. I could probably do a U-turn in a space that's half the size of a parking space because of the zero turn feature. So at the end of the day, if you want to go into a grocery store or shopping at some sort of store that has lanes and aisles that are narrow, or you want to go into the cashier's line and be able to have the agility to turn sharply, this is definitely a scooter that you want to consider. There's another model like the Zero Turn 8. It's called the ZT10. It's the next size up. It's more of a heavy duty unit, and it comes with knobby tires that are a little bit better for handling off-road. So, you know, whether you want something that can handle around 300 pounds, or if you want something a little beefier with bigger tires that can handle closer to 400 pounds, you have options with Pride's patented zero turn technology, which I gotta say is pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna ride around the parking lot a little bit more here, maybe do another tour of the grass to show you one more time how the grass handles, and then I'm gonna head back in. Enjoy this video. We're gonna go ahead and cue some music as we just ride along here and show you and demonstrate what it's like to ride this scooter in our parking lot. As you can see, it works pretty good. And my camera keeps falling too. Let's see if I can make a U-turn right here. That's pretty cool. So let me show you that one more time. That's awesome. Wow, very maneuverable. All right, so as you can see, we're here in front of our store, which is behind me in beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida. Pretty much Naples, Florida. If you're familiar with Naples, it's a bigger town. We're right near Naples, and we have a really good selection of Pride mobility scooters just like this one. We'd love to earn your business. If you want to come on by, we do have availability from Monday through Saturday right now, and we're always available online through our live chat. You can call us, you can visit our website and navigate our website with ease. We have a state-of-the-art website, and we'd love to hear from you. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the scooter indoors now. All right, well, we did it. Thank you for coming along on this virtual test drive. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have any questions, give us a call. Visit our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.